Hey, my name is Amanda Kleckler with Grace Monroe Home and Design with the Pros. So today we are going to talk about some of the tools that you will need when you start your journey into wreath making. So one of the most important things that you will need will be either a glue gun with glue sticks, and you want to make sure that you get a high temperature glue gun if you choose to use one of these, or you will need a glue skillet, which is what I prefer to use. This skillet is made by Surebonder, and it is a really great investment if you plan on making a lot of wreaths. So with the glue skillet, you will use glue pellets, which look like this, and they just go right in the glue skillet. It's really easy to use, and like I said, it's a great investment. So you will also need wire cutters or clippers. You will need wire. We prefer to use 26 gauge wire. You will also on occasion need to use wood picks. And these you will use to attach to your stems to make your stems longer. And sometimes you will use it to put different accents into your wreaths. You will also need cable wire, cable ties, or zip ties as some people call them, and pipe cleaners. Now you will not use these all the time when making wreaths, but they are used to attach your signs and your birdhouses and different accents and things like that. So I do suggest that you have some on hand. Now you will also need a staple gun, and this will also be used when you're attaching your birdhouses, your signs, and your accents. Floral tape. You won't use this all the time, but you will need this on occasion, so I recommend having some in green, getting the green color. Now, we use the Bodabra bow maker. There are several bow makers that you can get. We prefer to use the Bodabra, and I do have some tutorials on how to use this bow maker, but like I said, there are several on the market, or you can make your bows by hand. It's all your preference. If you are going to use or make deco mesh wreaths or burlap wreaths, you will need a rotary cutter and a cutting mat. And this will help you measure out your deco mesh and your ribbons and your burlap and things like that. So it comes in handy. Now, after your wreath is completed, you may want to have a hair dryer on hand, and you will use this to get all of the excess glue and what I call glue boogers off of your wreaths. So we just use our personal hair dryer. When we need it, we just run in and get it, but I definitely think that you need one of these handy where you can get to it. And you may want a measuring tape because you may want to measure the size of your wreath after you're finished making it. So these are not everything that you will use to make wreaths, but these are probably your most important tools. So I hope this helps, and I'm really excited for your journey into making wreaths. I hope you have a great day.